Today we're going to bring an electrical glue gun. This is perfect for any projects that you're working. Today we're going to work on our project. When to set this up, they give you many glue sticks. They give you 2 sets of glue sticks. All right, the actual charging station, which is a type C to type A, and then the actual glue gun itself, the machine. 1 button to turn on and stop, pretty much, and you feed it from the back and you charge it in the back. So let's put it to use and see how it works. All right, so once you turn it on, you hold down the power button here, and once it turns on, it's gonna start blinking. Once it gets solid, it means it's hot. The tip is hot. Just be aware that it's hot, so don't put this down on the floor or anywhere. Make sure it's standing up straight or facing up. All right, so be careful how you put this, especially in any kind of cardboard or any kind of wood or any kind of things that could catch on fire. All right, so we got a solid green now, and we're gonna be ready to glue. So once you hold on the actual button, it's gonna start feeding. You can hear a little motor, and you'll start seeing, there it is. The glue comes out immediately.
I just want to make sure I keep track of put them all over here.
So after a time, if you're not using it, it automatically turns off. It has the auto off feature.